Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel there. Filming the weather not many of you guys are used to seeing in Benidorm. I don't say it is probably even rather quite weird that many of you guys have seen this sort of weather in Benidorm. Spot of weather that's of course been made famous in England. Yeah, you guessed it, rain. Absolutely peeing down there. Reason you can see the riding is because I've just sat down for a bit, might stand up instead, get a better view. Absolutely chucking it down, guys. It's gone quite cold as well. Here's a laugh for you. I'll zoom in on him as he comes past. Lad on his moped in a poncho. Yeah, you know it's gonna rain when the chinky shops start putting all the ponchos, umbrellas, the ponchos and umbrellas up front, and of course the old hot cows have their bollies on. Someone got a bin bag over their head down there by the hospital. Roads getting a bit flooded. Not much really you can do when it rains in Benidorm, apart from like go try to take shelter. That's all you can do, I guess. Try shelter from it and hope that it does eventually stop. I'm not too sure if it's easing up a bit now. I don't know. It did come on quite heavy a couple minutes ago. No, I don't think it is really easing up, is it, guys? There are sort of activities you can do on a rainy day, like I imagine hotels would put some activities on both for kids and adults. Depending on where you're staying, actually, you would hope they'd put something on for you to do if it's like a bit dull and absolutely booking it down. You may just end up spending your day in your hotel room watching telly. I doubt many people will be going out tonight. Does look a bit dull, so even if the rain does stop for a bit, the question is how long till it starts again. Best bet if you were planning on going out tonight and it's still raining by tonight, stay in the hotel. Probably cheaper and safer as well, actually. You can see quite a few people have probably been caught out in it, like gone out in shorts or just a t-shirt and trousers, not really expected the weather to take a change for the worse. That is kind of why I always say if you come into Benidorm, just be prepared. You never know what's going to happen. Like, it was nice and warmish this morning, nice weather, and now this. Like, raining. So yeah, maybe if you are coming to Benidorm, I would advise on maybe packing some jumpers or coats, just in case. Wouldn't really recommend on getting them all over here, cause I mean, probably gonna be expensive. Maybe even pack like a little umbrella or something. I know it sounds stupid, but then if you are planning to go out into it sort of looking a bit dull, looking as if it might rain, you got a body on you, like, you're gonna be alright. Maybe invest in some ponchos as well while you're over here. Yeah, I know they're not that fashionable, but they keep you dry, guys. Many of the gift shops over here, they do both the ponchos and the big button-up rain jacket type things, and I mean, they're only about €2, €2.50. Sometimes they will tend to rip easily, but I mean, if you manage to get it on while trying to run back home from the rain, it should keep you quite dry. It is cold as well. Next thing is be careful if you are walking about in the rain. As you may know, most of Benidorm is sort of these tiled type paths, which can easily tend to get quite slippery if it does rain, so just be careful. Does seem like a few people as well who have been out on the beach, they've sort of got caught in the rain. Funniest one we saw where we were sat in the Western Saloon down on the Fantasy Seafront, started absolutely pouring down, and some lass who were sat drinking in there. Next thing we know, she just strips off into her bikini, runs down onto the beach, and goes for a swim. While like it's full blown pouring down, storm coming in, and she's there in her bikini having a swim. Couple down there looks like they haven't really expected the weather to come on this bad. I guess though I can say the rain is quite a sort of welcoming think here in Spain lately, like with the previous weeks we were sort of getting rumours about a drought warning coming to place. So, spot of rain, yeah, it's a bit of a welcome. Then again, though, it is a bit shit, because I mean, if you come here on holiday, you don't really want to be sat in your hotel wondering when it's going to stop raining, do you guys? Gonna finish the video here, guys. Think I might do live stream as well. So see you in the next one. Adios.